This is Sean Henson from Video Diary of Sprint 4. Okay, so as the email I said earlier tonight said, upon trying to do this week's sprint, I realized that the majority of my systems need to be redone because when I had set up my asset manager, it was not prepared for objects, for game objects, that then cascaded all the way down to all my updatables, inputable, drawables. So for today and this week, I mainly went back and redid a majority of my systems. So my resource manager has been finally updated to a singleton, and with a change in the texture calling and the model calling to ensure proper call of a game object. And I have now created a load all resources that the user now can use whenever they're loading their particular resources in. And I've separated the test items and user items. Then after that, I went on to the updatables to fix all those ables, and for tonight I only got the updatable and part of the draw done. But the updatable I have updated, so now no matter how many scenes the user has, it will call that specific manager for that specific scene, because my previous iteration of it, I had the update manager as a public class and not a protected class with a pointer to the address, which would have had when there was multiple scenes, would have caused confusion in the system. So let's just quickly run this, and it'll also show my collision test pair code real quick. I only have the one printing just to clear up the screen, because it shows the update manager is updating the item and the updatable is updating item, and then lastly the testing pair is colliding with test object and not collidable. And I open up test objects and testing pair. You can see I do have it go through the test object and the collidable. So hopefully I'll be able to get on to the next sprint once I finish the drawables throughout the rest of the day. And